Blackwoods restaurant in Proctor was buzzing with snowmobilers and baseball stars this evening. Minnesota natives and former Twins Terry Steinbach and Ken Herbeck are in town relaxing before heading out for this year's Blackwoods Blizzard Tour against ALS. The fathers of both men died of ALS, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease. The two ball players have spent years raising money for research to end the disease and to help the people who have it.
We are doing this until we get to the day where we have a farewell party to this disease, when we have a cure, when we can sit here and say this is the last one we're going to have because we finally licked this thing.
The Blackwoods Blizzard Snowmobile Tour leaves Proctor tomorrow. The riders will first go to Tower, then to Harbors, and finally back to Proctor.